Hello, I'm Wanje Ernest, the strategist. Welcome to Breadwinners United. I want to show you a simple business model that you can adopt as a part-time hustle, something in the background that can generate you a lot of money. It's just like you could be working somewhere and you buy a building that you put on rent. Okay, during the time of negotiation, you have to negotiate and meet the person and all that, or look for the building that you want to buy and all that. Find a building, then you buy and all. And after you have established that, in the background, that building continues to make money for you. The nice thing with this that I want to propose to you is that you do not need to invest a large sum of money like that you need to get a building. With as little as 24,000 francs and three referrals, that is the only little work that is there, and for which we are here to help you. Do not bother yourself with all the stories they talk about network marketing. Forget it. Do not bother yourself with all the notions about Ponzi schemes. I cannot be here talking to you about this, proposing that you can invest 24,000 francs and we work with you so that three other persons can invest 24,000 francs and you can make as much as 34 million francs within 12 circles if I do not really believe it. Another thing is, this is the mathematical calculations with only two bonuses that produces this much. The first thing you have to see here is that the 24,000 francs is no registration. You simply buy products that you can use at home, like toothpaste, soap, and oil, that you take to your house and use. And then we introduce the idea. For example, you can show this same video to your friends, your family, your colleagues, your neighbors. You can send the link to them. I'll put it up on YouTube and Facebook. You can send the link to them and they just need to watch the video and make up their own mind. You don't need, of the 100 people that you don't need 10,000 people to buy products for you to make millions. You just need three persons on your part. Once those three persons have bought, they got to this level, it means now that they have taken the responsibility of getting their three. When they get their three, it will become nine. And those nine will get their three each, it will become 27. So they go into multiples of three. Now, if we can get three within a month, imagine that you can share this video among your friends, and within a month, you can get three persons who can join your team. That you have done your share of the work. You just need to give the video to those your friends who join. They too can share it among their friends who can also buy products of 24,000, toothpaste, soap, and oil, everyday products. And even if they buy just once their whole life, it will still make this much money. This chart, this table that you are seeing in front of you, shows that they buy just once. There are other entry levels. I don't even want to go into that. Let's just do 24 because I don't want people thinking that they are risking their money. I don't want you risking your money. Just buy products of 24,000 fans, get your matricle number, and then we'll share this video with others and help them do the same. If I buy products of 24,000 francs and take to my house and use, no matter what happened to the system, can I say I've lost the money? No. But now, if I share the idea with my friends and they buy products 24,000 francs and take home and use the products and they love the products, they can always come and buy again. Even if they decide to not do the business anymore, can they ever say that I've made them lose money? I put them in a Ponzi scheme? No. So this system has no Ponzi scheme effect in any form. People will just buy their product 24,000, share the idea without begging or pressurizing anybody. And if you have registered in a particular town, when I find somebody in that town, as you people come to me or from Facebook and WhatsApp groups, if you are from a particular town and somebody comes to register for a particular town, even if you have not had your three, I'll also send the person to you. The person will become one of your three. And what I could get you all your three simply from the people who are coming to me from Facebook. So digest this and I'll make a second video to continue from here. I'm already having indication that this is already running to 5 minutes. I want to limit the videos to 5 minutes at a time. I'll take your questions after you've watched this. We can talk later and I'll help you proceed from there. Okay, thank you.